I have something to share with y'all today. All y'all loyal subscribers. Y'all ready for this? Let's get y'all back. I'm completely neon. Y'all, I have tanned so much this week, but today...
Your tan got a tan. Oh god. You look like a strawberry.
My tan got a tan today.
The video doesn't do it justice.
This shirt's orange. The shirt is neon orange. Just... Y'all, I don't even know what to do about this. I don't know what to do about it. What do I do about it?
Lots of cream.
Are you playing to the song over there?
I'm just sort of scraping. Being cool. But I'm not cool.
Oh, I'm not cool. I'm hot right now. I'm hot AF right now. I can see myself. Don't you be surprised if you get burned. I got burned. I got
I
burned.
wore plenty. Did you not wear sunscreen?
No.
I wore plenty.
Y'all, this is the most burnt I've ever been in my life. Even my stomach is burnt. My stomach is burnt. Above my butt cheeks is burnt. Below my butt cheeks is burnt. I'm so burnt. I'm burnt.